Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to export MkaPEB model to Tekla structures. Let's get started. I have already opened our Connectiondesign model, and also I opened a Tekla structures model with an empty new model. Be careful that to export MkaPEB to Tekla structures, you have to run Tekla structures as an administrator in Windows. Let's return MkaPEB. To export the Tekla structures, you need to go after statistical analysis and click the 3D model. You don't have to draw the 3D model. You just click Export to Tekla button. Remember that program automatically find the Tekla structures and export the model to Tekla. You don't need to do anything. Let's export. Model is transferring now. And the export is complete. You can use your model in Tekla structures. Remember that when MkaPEB exports a model, it uses the default Tekla macros. So you can edit in Tekla structures with a very easy way. And also truss plates are come. It's very time-saving options. We are going to improve this connection. See you next lesson.